welcome back my friend in my new and very most informative video. And my previous video we have successfully removed Google FRP lock on my previous Samsung smartphone. But in this video I am going to show you how can you easily remove your any bypass Samsung FRP lock in from Samsung S series at just only few minutes from service center method without using any computer and without using any kind of software tool. So let's start this video. First of all my friend, if you have any smartphone like Samsung S series, S23, 21, 22 and latest S24 and the updated S25. So in this video I'm going to show you how can you easily bypass your any kind of Samsung FRP lock at just only a few seconds. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to connect your smartphone with the PC. Okay, when you successfully connected your PC with the computer, you have to do the some action on your smartphone. First of all, you have to go to the home screen like that, and after that you have to click the start button here. But first of all, you have to change your language option from here, and here you have to change your language to English United Kingdom. Okay, so you have to find the English United Kingdom, click OK, and after that you have to open your emergency call option. When emergency call option comes on your mobile screen, you have to do the some action here, and you have to type a code here, and the code is *333*361*331*0505 and hash, star hash, and you can take a screenshot for this page. After that you have to dial this code here. After that you have to go to the main page, and you have to again change your region to English United States. So click here and click OK. After that you have to click the start to configure your smartphone if you have Samsung S series. So click agree to all and wait for a few seconds. When Wi-Fi page come on your screen, you have to connect your smartphone with the Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot successfully. After successfully connected your smartphone, you have to tap add network here, and here you got this small setting icon. So you have to click here to open it. After successfully open your setting icon on your smartphone, you have to go to the language and types here, and here you have to click the manage input languages, and here you have to find English US. Okay, so you have to find this option English US and click to turn on. After that other than the language, you have to all the turn off except English US. Okay, after that you have to go to the three dots, click here and click check for update here, and when update comes on your smartphone, you have to click to update. After successfully update your language option, you have to go back to the main screen, means main page, and go to the last option is reset to default settings. So click here to open, and here you got maybe 2 option, 3 option, 4 option. Don't worry at all, you have to reset all the options from this page one by one. So you have to reset all the options here, like erase, reset. You have to done all the jobs here as you see here. After successfully completed this job, you have to go to the main page, means Wi-Fi page. When you come here, you have to tap press power button plus volume up button for few seconds. After that you have to click use button here. Again you have to do the same thing, press power button plus volume up button on the same time, and here you have to draw opposite L. But you can see here the talkback option is not coming here, so don't worry at all. You have to turn off the talkback option here for pressing power button plus volume up button and go back to the home screen, and here you have to again open your emergency call option here and dial star hash 333*69069*1 and a star hash, and you have to call this code for one time only, and configure your smartphone as usual. So click a start button here, click agree to all, agree, click setup manually, click next, and wait for the result. And all done, my friend. You can see here this skip message comes in this page. It means you can easily bypass this step from your Samsung smartphone. Means Google FRP lock has been already bypassed from this service center method. So apply this to your locked Samsung smartphone, and after that you will be also able to unlock your all kind of Samsung S series like that. And if you have any queries, so comment us. Our team will reply to you within a 5 to 10 minutes, so that you will be also able to unlock your Samsung smartphone. So click here to skip message here, skip again, click don't copy here. Don't try to skip this video at any moment, otherwise you won't be able to unlock your Samsung smartphone. Okay, comment us your specific model name, our team will reply to you within a 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, so don't try to skip this video at any moment, otherwise you won't be able to unlock your Samsung smartphone. If you seriously want to unlock your Samsung smartphone, so you have to take this video seriously. Click a skip here, agree, next, and wait for few settings also, and after that you can uncheck your smart feature. Click next, click finish, and my friend wait for few seconds, click agree again. We are almost there. Select your preferred setting, continue, allow, select your preferred setting, and almost done, my friend. Wait for the result. Click install, click finish, and all done, my friend. You have to configure your new pin pattern password lock from setting within 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, otherwise your smartphone will be locked with the previous lock method. So you have to configure your smartphone with the new pin pattern password lock, and also you have to sign in within the 10 minutes. Okay, if you have any queries, comment us with the specific model name. Our team will reply to 5 to 10 minutes. So thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned and keep watching.